Hi, this is Yasir from the car with Brake Detailing, and today I'm going to show you how to clean wheels. And I'll be using a non-acid wheel cleaner. In this case, it's one from P&S called Brake Buster. It's safe for a variety of surfaces. This particular wheel is clear coated, so if your wheels are painted, have clear coat. This one is good for that type of application. And I strive to stay away from any acid-based cleaners just because of the damage it could potentially cause to wheels, particularly if you don't know how to use it properly. Before you get started on any wheel cleaning, make sure the wheels are cool. You don't want to apply wheel cleaner to a hot surface because that could cause damage to the surface, the coating of the wheels, and money, basically. If the wheel is not cool, you want to take a water hose and spray it off first to cool it down. If it's already cool, you may not have to do this step. And the wheel is already cool, so I just sprayed it down just a little bit to see if I can knock some of the brake dust down. In this case, it didn't budge. So first you want to just spray the wheel. I'll get it to spray. There we go. Just coat the surface and get in between of the barrels. And I use this cleaner on the tires as well, so it's safe. Instead of using separate cleaners, I even get the wheel wells with it. And you want to let that sit up to a minute. The directions tell you from 30 to 60 seconds, so up to a minute. And just give it time to work and break down the dust. And I'm going to just work a little faster because of the video sake. Take your brushes to get down in between the openings. And this is just plain water. Some people put soap. That's fine. And depending on the type of wheels, you may want to use something like this if they're pretty open. This is pretty good for that. So I have a variety of brushes. As you can see, it's clean. Look, down there pretty good. And these wheels haven't been cleaned in probably about 3 weeks to a month. And you just hit the tires. Since we're doing wheels on tires, wheels, but I just hit the tires anyway. See all this dirt breaking down. For your wheel well, take your long hammer brush. Break that loose. Once you're satisfied with your work, you want to take your hose. And that's it. And what I like to do, I let it run a little bit, and then I take a towel and dry it off. You may still get a little runoff, however, but essentially That's it, wheel cleaner with non-acid wheel cleaner. And that's with your P&S product Brake Buster.